Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Actually going to be looking at two charts at the same time here. We'll look at gold and Bitcoin because gold is really going here and Bitcoin really isn't. And I actually think this is a good thing for Bitcoin because as I'm going to show you, historically, when gold goes up, Bitcoin consolidates, and when gold consolidates, Bitcoin goes up. But here's the kicker. Bitcoin historically outperforms. And so you want to look for, and in my opinion, get into Bitcoin while it's in consolidation and while gold is going up. Because at this point, you could probably feel like you're chasing gold here, right? Gold has been going up since the end of December, pretty much in a straight line. We have had gold reaching new highs. And we've had Bitcoin around the same time just going sideways. And so as you see from this chart here, we have a bit of an inverse correlation. Bitcoin historically will consolidate while gold is going up, and gold will consolidate while Bitcoin is going up. And you can actually play both sides. You don't have to be in the gold camp of, oh, gold is the only way. And you also don't have to be a hardcore Bitcoin maximalist saying, oh, Bitcoin's the only way. You can actually do both. And here's what I'm going to show you here. So in the past, we see just in 2023, as the market came off of the lows, everything kind of came off the lows with it, right? Like we had gold come off the lows, we had Bitcoin come off the lows, and then we had Bitcoin start to go up and go up significantly as more chatter of the Bitcoin ETFs coming to market was getting louder and louder. Then shortly after, once the Bitcoin ETFs launched and everyone kind of got their fill, we saw Bitcoin go sideways for over 200 days. And throughout that, what happened? We actually saw gold continue to go up and make new highs. And so once again, we have this inverse correlation. Bitcoin goes up, gold goes sideways. Gold goes up, Bitcoin goes sideways. Gold goes sideways, Bitcoin goes up, and here we are in an environment where gold is going up and Bitcoin is going sideways. And so I definitely think that there's an advantage to buying Bitcoin over gold here, simply because Bitcoin historically outperforms. Even in this same time frame, we see gold from, now let's be fair and measure it evenly. So if we measure the performance of GLD here on this chart from October 2023 to now, we see gold up about 60%. That's not a bad move. But in that same time, from October 2023, we see Bitcoin over 200% even now. So even though Bitcoin's off the highs, gold has still underperformed BTC. And so if you're looking at gold right now and have a bit of that FOMO, here's what I'm going to say. Don't look at gold right now. You should be eyeing up something like IBIT because IBIT is in consolidation. I've told my friends over at Crypto Market Mentor that it's in a box. It's just in a sideways box of consolidation. And you can see zoomed out here, I have gold as this kind of maroon line. Gold is up 43%, but IBIT is up 95%. So even if you don't have a crypto account, you're still able to capture some of that potential outperformance with the Bitcoin ETFs. And so I would definitely keep an eye on IBIT here. Maybe you want to own a little while it's in consolidation. Then when it starts to move, you layer a little more into that trade as it rewards you. And I would definitely look for a breakout here on IBIT right around that $61 level. That 61 level has been resistance over and over again. So I think you want to be small within IBIT while it's in consolidation and while gold is still going up. And then when gold starts to consolidate, keep an eye on it. When this starts to pull back, and it could be up here, it could be over here, we don't know where this is going to pull back. When it does start its consolidation, then I think IBIT is a great alternative for that store of value trade that historically outperforms. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, @ScottTrades. And you should check out our crypto service if you're interested in Bitcoin and digital assets at stockmarketmentor.com. We have a new service called Crypto Market Mentor. And if you want to be part of a great trading community and learn more about digital assets, I think that's the place to be. So I hope that video is helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.